All right, hey everybody, we are finally ready to roll out the new logins for our improved data system with our website. I think you guys are gonna really like it. I'm gonna take a quick video here and just kind of test drive the process for setting up your new password to log in. It's a super easy process, so let's get right to it. I'm gonna share my screen and take you guys on a tour here. Okay, so first thing that is gonna happen is you guys are gonna receive an email, and it will contain this wonderful document, okay? So right here is gonna be your first step to getting your profile created and getting your passwords all set up. So the first thing I want to distinguish is there is a difference between members and representatives. So a member would be the name of the business. So for today's test drive, it is going to be Tom the Tailor. That's the business that I've selected. So if you need any alterations, you guys let me know. The other one is reps, which would be the human. So Tom Whitaker would be the rep and Tom the Tailor would be the member. So let's start off with getting us logged in as the members. The member login is the administrator. They'll be the person who can update business contact information, add promotions, all of the kind of higher level stuff. The representative logins, which we'll do in a bit, that will just be for if an individual in your business wants to sign up for an event, or if that's the specific person who logs in to pay invoices. Makes sense, it'll be easier when you get there. So the first thing we want to point out here on this document is there's a couple of things. Here's this button, create your password, right? This is going to be our main link right here. But what you're going to need is, if you see below, it's kind of bolded. This right here, this 50737 is the member number. So yours won't be 50737, but you're going to need that. That's important to log in as the administrator. The second thing you'll need to take a look at is the email address. So when we go to set up our password, it's going to send us a verification code to that email address. So just double check, make sure that's correct. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and create this password. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to open up the link. It's going to open up a web page for us here. So it's taking you over to our chamber website. Looks just like it used to, no big changes. So right here, we're going to put in our member number, which was that 50737, right? And then we've got a security code here. So we have to make sure you're not a robot. So we'll go ahead and we'll input for that. 52126128. Cool. So now we're going to hit send, and this is going to send us a verification code to that email. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's going to take us to where we set the password. So I'm going to bounce back to my email, show you this. This is what your email is going to look like. It's going to come from noreply@chamberdata.net, and it's going to go to that email address that was in that first document I showed you. Cool. So right here it says there's been a request to change your password. This code will expire in a few minutes. It's for Tom the Tailor, and this is that verification code that we're going to need, okay? So we'll take that verification code and we will type it in here, and then you set your password. Anything you want it to be, make it memorable. So set your password right there. So I've already done that step, so I'm not going to reset my password. So I'm going to go back to the sign in and show you how to do it, okay? So to sign in as an administrator, so this is to make overall changes to the business, you know, the primary contact will have this. You're going to go over here and you will log in with that member number. If you guys by chance forget your member number, don't sweat it. It's very, very easy for any of us here at the chamber to pull it for you. So just shoot us an email. I can get you your member number in just a few seconds. So we'll log in 50737, and the password that I set, can't tell you guys what it is. So we'll sign in. Okay, so here we are. We are at our home page for the account. So this is where if you need to make changes, make updates, customize your listing, this is where you do all that from. It should be very simple. So on your basic info, it's your basic info. So your address, where your business is located, some phone numbers, and down here you can put in your website. I really like this feature right here. You can include all of your social media links. So if it's a Facebook link, you take that and then you copy and paste your Facebook right there. You can do it for your Twitter, your LinkedIn, anything you've got. And then down here, another one that I really like is you can upload your own logo. So just make sure it's less than 1 megabyte and you choose your file and upload your logo. So if it changes, if it updates, if you've got a specialty logo for the holidays, you can go right in here and quickly, easily update that. Let's keep it moving through here. That's okay. We can lose our changes. That's okay. So reps, this is where, as the administrator, you can add employees to your, to your business and then give them different responsibilities. So if I wanted to add a new rep, I can go in here and you can write a little bio, put in who they are, and then that will that'll send them a link to log in as a rep. I'm not going to cover that step today. I think the most important is to just get you guys logged in as members. But we're obviously all around. If you guys have any questions about any of this, please reach out. I'm happy to help. This is our main project right now, and I want to make sure that it's working. So another one, as we keep moving down, there is account, where you're going to find all your invoices. So I added myself as a new member, so I still have to pay my dues. So if I want to do it, I'm already all logged in. I would just click make a payment, and it takes me to the payment section. And just like a normal online payment, you'll just click through, insert your credit card info, and you'll be paid. You can go into profile. This is where you can kind of customize a little bit more. Kind of your business description, how many employees you have, and then you can select your categories. So what type of business you think you are, you've got up to 5 categories to select. So you can go through and you can continue customizing in here. The business center is going to be, it's your business center. It's pretty basic, right? So this is where you'll find your referrals, excuse me. You'll also find promotions, jobs, and news. News is going to be a new feature here we've got going. So for promotions, if you have a coupon, if you've got discounts that are going to be for chamber members only, if you're running a big promotion, you can come in here and click promotion submission, and it uploads it to the website. Same thing with jobs and news. It's very similar. If you're hiring, come on over and post it to the chamber website, put what you're looking for, and then when somebody comes in, they can find it. Same thing with news, anything breaking, you can use it as kind of a blog. You can, cross post all of your information in there, and then it will populate up here on our news tab. So member login, when you get to the website, if I want to just drive you through it one more time, this is where you're going to sign in. So if you hit, if you come to our home page, it's always up here at the top. It's got all the exciting stuff that we've got going on at the chamber. You can click member login and it takes you right here. It's really simple. If you click forgot my password, oh my God, I don't know what it was, click forgot your password, and then it takes you back to that original page, right? Where you put in your member number, you enter the security code, and it'll take you through the process to reset your password. Makes it very, very simple to log in. Again, if you forgot your member number, just give us a call, shoot us an email. I can pull member numbers in a second. It's very simple to do. So that's all I'm going to leave you with for right now. Let's just get you guys logged in. If you go back to this document, it's got some handy links for you here. And it's got this down here where it says Chamber Member Video Playlist. You can click that, and it's going to take you to a YouTube channel made by this company, CC Assist. And they have a couple of short YouTube videos that kind of go a little bit more in depth than I've done so on this call. So that's kind of your to-do list. Get yourself logged in. If you have any issues, please reach out, let me know. This should be a much more simplified system for you, getting on, posting about your business, posting jobs, doing everything that you want the chamber website to do for you. So if you have any questions, let us know. We're going to schedule in early January, that first week, I'm going to do another kind of Zoom training where I'll invite you guys all on. So if you have questions, if you want to, kind of take a longer, more in-depth test drive with us to really see all the functionality of, the updated capabilities we've got, join that Zoom session. I'll send out some, some emails and some Facebook events about it, so you guys know that it's coming. If you have any questions, let us know. Hope you guys have excellent luck logging into the website, and everybody has a great holiday season. Thanks.